close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope mko fiti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rach. So guys, today it's another day. It's very early in the morning. I just woke up and as you can see, unaona tu nakaa tu mtu ameamka. I just woke up. Hata unaweza sikia tu sauti yangu venye naongea tu kama mtu ameamka, si ndio? So today I want to do such an amazing video of something that I bought and I've been wishing to buy. It's near jikoni. So yesterday I went and bought it and I came with it, though I didn't manage to do the video yesterday, so I want to do right now as I unbox it. So come with me guys as I go to unbox it. Iko huko jikoni, so tutaenda na nyinyi huko jikoni muone niki unbox. So come on guys. So let's go to the kitchen. Ta-da! So this is what I bought yesterday. A microwave. Yeah, lanterns. So guys, I've been nimekuanga tu nikisemanga kila siku I want to buy a microwave. I want to buy a microwave. Nimekuanga tu kama wimbo. And yesterday God did it. Yani nasikia tu nikiwa nasikia tu fiti as you can see, nakaa vizuri. Wacha tu unbox so that we can see where we'll place it. Na tuone tu venye inakaa juu nilionea nikiwa huko super kwenye nilibuy, and nilikuwa tu kwa haraka nikitestiwa. So let us unbox it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, I think hii kitu siwezi tuanisha hapa juu nikiwa peke yangu, so I will have to kuiweka hapa chini so that I can lift it. Juu nimeona hata nikijaribu kuinua I'm not able nikiwa peke yangu, so wacha tuiweke hapa chini so that I can lift it, niekelee hapa chini. So guys, as you can see, now this is what I'm saying. So this is part of vitu zake uko ndani, and wacha tuiekelee hapo. And this is my microwave. Tatuondoa hii okay hapo. And guys, just see, this is my microwave. Let's open. Just see, I'm so happy by the way, for buying this. Oh my god. What does I mean? I've wished for this thing for the longest, and now it's here in my house.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on and on.
So guys, nishamaliza kuunbox, and as you can see inakaa poa sana, just see venye inakaa poa. And I'm so grateful to God for this, even if it's just like a small achievement for me. I'm so happy for it. And as you can see, my dish rack, it's still here, na inakaa vizuri sana. So guys, I'll show you where I'll be putting my microwave in a moment, because at the moment sijaipangia in the final decision to where I'll be itakuwa inakaa, but maybe for the meantime naweza yekelea juu ya fridge yangu. So let me show you that in a moment. So guys, nishaekanisha vitu zake za ndani, as you can see, hivi ndivyo inakaa ndani. So I think for the meantime I'll just put it on top of my fridge. Let me cross it. I think I'll just put it here as I figure out penye nitakuwa naiweka. Maybe I'll just figure out wacha, I'll see. So here is it, as you can see nimeiweka tu juu ya fridge yangu. I think at the meantime inaweza kaa hapo. So guys, I'm so happy for this. Yani ina ya tu December, Mungu amekuwa tu mzuri.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So guys, hope you have enjoyed watching my unboxing video of my microwave. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. Road to 1K. Kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. Kindly support me, and I will really appreciate, guys. So let me end my video here. See you on another video. Kwaheri.